Bro, I don't even remember how any of this all got started.
Yeah, it's like all of a sudden it's everywhere, all the time. Can't express my views because I'm afraid to be labeled.
It's like I can't have a different opinion or else I'll get canceled.
I'm having a really hard time addressing this in a meaningful way.
Is this really even a big deal?
I'm terrified that I'll say the wrong thing and fill them with doubts in their fate.
My kids keep asking questions, and I don't know what to say.
Why isn't anyone doing something about this?
We are. After hearing concerns from teachers around the world, we spoke to Islamic scholars, educators, therapists, and students. We read thousands of pages of research. We listened to hundreds of podcasts and interviews. And after many hours of work and research, we have the curriculum you've been asking for. With this resource, students will develop their own language to challenge the messages they're bombarded with daily, and they'll have the knowledge they need to feel confident in the ethics of their faith. We want to equip teachers to guide our children, to provide a voice that is clear in the face of constant cultural shifts. Your concerns are our concerns. Yaqeen curriculum, written by educators, approved by scholars, ready for students.